How do you start making money online by dropshipping baby swaddle blankets, for example? Well, this is only one of the product ideas you can start creating today and dropship to your audience to earn 4 figures or more monthly. Let's find out how everything works, from finding the product idea to actually building the product and the design, creating the website, and actually selling the products to an audience. Let's go. So let's say you want to start selling baby products online with a print-on-demand platform. What is the best method to start doing that? I will give you my step-by-step process right now. First, you find a product that is in demand. So you need to find a way to offer a solution to somebody's problems with the product you're creating. A product that people want or need, a product that represents a solution for a problem. For example, I found this really cute product idea on Print KK, which are matching baby swaddle blankets with headbands for girls or little hats for boys. And on Print KK, you can design and sell custom print-on-demand products today. It is 100% free to use. It has over 1,000 high-quality products, and they provide global dropshipping and fast shipping. After all, I had some products delivered. The quality is really good and the shipping is really fast. So you can find different products that you can easily add your design to and customize them to your own liking. It can be anything you want. I honestly am really surprised on the variations that they have for their product. So to create this baby swaddle blanket brand and start selling this product, the next thing you need to do is keep your niche. So if you decide on baby products, stick to baby products. Make sure that your niche stays consistent, at least in the beginning, and then you can add on to it. But the more you brand your entire business and you add a brand name, a custom domain name, and something that relates to that, the more people will recognize you and purchase your product. Make sure to grab your offer below to start working with Print KK. I truly recommend them. I think they're a great idea to start brands with. You can go ahead and browse their catalog and find ideas in niches that you are passionate about and that you think you can create a brand around. The greatest thing about print on demand is that you don't need a lot of products to start with. You need more designs. So for example, for these two products that I found, one for boys and one for girls, you can create hundreds of designs and just list them on your website. So when somebody is browsing your website, they can choose 2 or 3 swaddle blankets with hats or with headbands, designs that they enjoy because that's the product, but they want multiple designs, and they can purchase them. And this is exactly what you can do too with Print KK. So as you can see, I found my product ideas. Now I want to think of a brand. So I will sell baby swaddle blanket sets with many cute designs for babies, boys and girls. Now I will continue by creating a business name and a brand logo, color palette, and more. I will create a simple logo to give you an idea, but you can do whatever you like. If you don't have inspiration for brand names, you can choose ChatGPT to give you some ideas and then go from there. And then what I do is I just use Canva to create a simple logo, and I think of something cute, for example, tiny hugs, because when you're swaddled in a blanket, it feels like you're getting hugged. The next step is to start creating the designs for your products and actually customizing them in Print KK. So to do that, first go to Print KK, find your product and click Start Designing, and they will give you the resolution that you need to use, so the printing quality will be the best. So then go to Canva and create such a design. To generate a cute design, you can use their graphics or you can use an AI image generator, and you can even customize it with text and play around with different shapes and colors. And you can also get your branding added to custom tags to your product. First, create multiple designs for your products that you can list on your website. We will create them in Canva, download them, and then we will go ahead on Print KK, start design, and add the designs. We will generate the mock-up images that will go on the website. Then you can also order some samples at home that you will strictly use for content creation or to take product photography for your website banners, for social media, or anything else. After you've created at least 10 products, 10 designs for your products, you can start your website. So with Print KK, you can start adding your website, whether that is Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Square, eBay, Walmart, whatever it is. You can just easily connect it and list your products from Print KK to your website direct. So when somebody will make a purchase, Print KK will automatically receive that purchase. They will deliver the product to the customer, and all you have to do is you'll get the commission that is left between what you paid them and what the client got you. And this is how you will make money with Print KK. You will need to manage the content creation, getting clients, running ads, but they manage all the inventory, all the shipping. So we will go ahead and add our products to our website. Whether you're using WordPress or Shopify, whatever it is, you can start adding these products to your website. So again, connected from Print KK. Now the next thing that's important to do is add your branding to the products. Some of the products with Print KK don't allow branding, but some of them do, and you can use bags, tags to really put your print on the product and allow people to understand that you're a brand selling these products. Go to Print KK and add your brand. You'll get the option to have these little cute tags with your branding on them. To customize them, go to the product, edit the branding, and choose your branding type. You can add a tag or a bag. And then after your website is published, it's time to create content for your social media consistently and run ads as well. So for that to be successful for your brand, you need to think of your target audience. Who is watching your content? Who are the products for exactly? So you can also come up with different tips on how to swaddle a baby for sleep, how to take newborn photography with cute swaddles at home, and create all these types of content, how the products can actually be used. This way they will see how niche your brand is, how professional everything is, and they will want to make a purchase. So you need to focus on the target audience, what they need, what they want. If you have a great idea that you're passionate about, that is great. Focus on creating great designs for products that people will love and share all the reasons with them of why they will love those products for their babies, for example. So keep creating new designs every single day. Listen to what your audiences want. Create different products for different occasions, for example, for Christmas or something like that. Customize your packaging and your branding as much as Print KK allows it. Always reply to your audience's messages and comments and stay consistent. So this is how you can create a print-on-demand brand that your audience will truly love. Don't forget to check out Print KK for your dropshipping business at the link below and find more products to sell that you can create amazing brands around. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on the same topic, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!